Welcome to Random Vlogs 876. If you're new here, please subscribe and ensure that you select all when you click the notification bell. Of course, this will ensure that you are notified whenever I make a post. Please also give the video a like and share your comments with me in the comment section below. This interaction will help the channel to grow and reach more people and create an active community here at Random Vlogs 876. Okay, so guys, today we'll be looking at the benefits and uses of the clove essential oil and the clove essential herb. So the clove essential oil is extracted from the buds of the clove tree and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. This oil is well known for its various health benefits and its versatility in use. One use that it is known for is for pain relief. One of the most significant benefits of clove oil is its pain relieving properties. The oil contains eugenol, which is a natural pain reliever that can help to reduce muscle and joint pain. This makes it a popular choice for those suffering from conditions such as arthritis, back pain, and menstrual cramps. Another benefit of the clove essential oil is its antioxidant properties. Clove oil is also rich in antioxidants, which can help to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants are essential in maintaining the overall health and preventing chronic diseases. The third point here is its use as an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefit. So the clove oil also has antibacterial properties that can help to prevent infections and reduce the risk of disease. Additionally, the oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce swelling and redness in the skin. Clove oil can also help to improve circulation and increase blood flow to the body. This can be beneficial for those with poor circulation and those at risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Clove oil is also commonly used in oral healthcare products such as toothpaste and mouthwash. The oil can help to reduce toothache, bad breath, and gingivitis due to its antiseptic and pain relieving properties. The clove oil can also help to relieve headaches and migraines. The oil's antispasmodic properties can help to reduce muscle tension and relieve pain. It also reduces stress. Clove oil has a calming effect on the body and can help to reduce stress and anxiety. The oil is often used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and improve mental clarity. It is also quite popular to boost the immunity of the body. So the clove oil can help to boost the immune system and protect against illnesses. The oil is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, which can help to strengthen the immune system. Surprisingly, the oil can also be used as a disinfectant. So the clove oil can also be used as a natural disinfectant for surfaces and wounds. The oil's antibacterial properties make it an effective and safe alternative to chemical disinfectants. I think this is particularly important to point out where, in this day and age, we are exposed to much more chemicals. As technology increases, we realize that we have more access to things that are not necessarily healthy but can get things done quickly. For example, cleaning products. We can easily use a lot of different cleaning products to remove bacteria and all sorts of things, and especially we are quite familiar with these sort of cleaning products around the home, the kitchen, the bathroom and stuff. They might do a good job of what it's meant to do, but how safe is it for us in regards to our health? If we look at ingredients that's in some of these products, we would not necessarily know what each product might do or what effect it might have on our bodies. And sometimes on the actual product itself, it tells you, gives you warning, about the possible implications and health risks or factors regarding its use. So if we can use these natural products to do the similar job or even a better job in a much more safer and healthier environment, I think this would be much more beneficial to us and our bodies. Okay, so in conclusion, The clove essential oil has a wide range of benefits and uses. From pain relief to improved oral health, clove oil is a versatile and natural solution for many health concerns. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before using clove oil, as it may interact with certain medications and cause skin irritation in some individuals. Okay guys, so there you have it. That was just a small, well, not small, but a brief video covering the benefits and uses of the clove essential oils. I hope you enjoyed that one. And if you haven't checked out my other videos, I've done some other videos regarding herbs and stuff like that. So if you could look for that on the channel, that would be great. And stay tuned for more videos to come. Thanks a lot. Have a good day, guys. Cheers.